This is all coding, but we're not using anything these of a tags, but actually some code, some tags related to code here, but those are not useful in a way in our application or project. Next one, semantic. Semantic. So this is what they have a semantic element clearly describe its meaning to both browser and the developer. So they are all elements, all tags are categorized into two type. One is semantic, another is what, non-semantic. See, semantic means what? Some tag name itself says that what is the meaning of that tag. So image is a, the tag name, it is img means what, immediately can understand what. So this tag is used for the image tag. Table is what we can use for table purpose. Article is used for the article purpose. So some tags they will directly tell what actually do based on its name. That's what semantic. And some tag it does not say anything what it is do, what will do. Okay, that is like a division. So no one understand what division, what the division do will do. Okay, so but here span, what is span here? So no meaning of that particular thing. So it is what name we are using for the tag, that will not tell anything about that particular tag, but these tags will tell what actually for that tag. So these are the semantic tag and these are the what, non-semantic tag. So again they are given different of a semantic tag. So at here what we having, semantic, what we figure means what, we can put a figure, footers we can put a footer. So like that they having what, the name itself says what actually that tag is do. But some tag they will don't tell, simply they have the name, but they based on that we can't understand what actually that tag will do. So separate information they are given, footer. Same thing, any section you can use, but all sections we have to properly use what, css property only, then only it will be located in one particular location. Okay, semantic is not useful here actually. Semantic is just they are categorizing the tags in a different of a type. Semantic tags by using tag name, tag name clearly define what tag will do, tag will do. Okay, and non-semantic tag, so that is what it is actually. Here it will not tell what, not tell what tag, what that tag will do. Okay, the name of the tag. Okay, it will not tell what that tag will do. That's a non-semantic, but actually it is not any useful, just they are categorized like that. Style guide, so already we seen this kind of a all tag. Okay, next one, HTML entities. These are less than better, but this is also not useful, because almost whatever these logical things we use it as a backend language. Symbols, what type of symbol we can use, these are the what, this kind of a, that is euro, so we use this one. So if you want to write euro symbol, you have to use what, this keyword, these letters we can use. Like that we have a some built-in number we having, that is, this is a copyright. So copyright, this is a uh, we have to use this as a code in the HTML, so then we'll get what, this symbol will get. Okay, copyright. Next this one, that is registered trademark, and this is euro sign. And next one what we having, trademark, this left arrow, right arrow. So all these symbol, if you want to print in your web page, so we have to use what, this kind of a code. So that code, symbolic code, we have to put in a any particular tag, that particular symbol will be printed. Suppose I will take one example, this one, diamond I will take. Within a header I will print. Okay, I'll save it. And get this one. Like that you can use these kind of symbols. Because symbols we can't write it, we have to use those predefined word only. Like that, this is very important. Copyright, it can help in a project, because in a footer we have to put it. So here that is, actually it is showing, okay, like this. I will save this and I will run it. See, here we got that symbol. So here thing is what, only we use particular maximum we can use for this one. That is symbol is what, copyright symbol, registered trademark. So these we can use it, but above below what we having, those are the we're not using any of those kind of thing. So only two we use, and that I can put here, that is stable symbols. That is this, very helpful. And next one, so even you can create what, emojis through the what, HTML. So this kind of symbols you can create. Okay, if I put this one, this code directly, you can put in any particular tag, p tag or h tag, like that it will be get that particular emoji. Suppose in a London, I will put that and save, and here I will refresh it. See, this is symbol will get. Like that you can use this kind of a symbol. But the thing is what, you can use based on your project, you can use what, emoji. Okay, and this kind of sports, if I click hands, all hands kind of emoji will get it. Okay, so many emoji will get it, but thing is what, based on your requirement you choose it, whichever one, each one you want. Okay, so suppose if you having what, transport like a website, use what, these all kind of emoji. These are the emoji we having. Just you can use what, this code. I will use this one. Let me check. It not work, I think. And you have to use what, that hex code. Hex code, you can use it and get that image. should be so this code you have to get it. You have to put this code, not a number or hexadecimal, then only it will work. Otherwise it will think like it's a text, and that text name will be displayed. Okay, like this. So this kind of a symbols you can use. These are the what different of emoji you will get. Colored symbols, these. Okay, so emoji you can take based on your requirement. Just I can put one emoji of this. Okay, example you can use like this code. Like this you can use a code, and it will be that emoji will be get in your web page. Okay, like this. So many emojis we are having, and again we have to categorize. Based on that you can take it, open it, and you will get many emoji you will get. Okay. Next one, to display an HTML page correctly, the web browser must know the character set used in the page meta. This already discussed actually. UTF-8. UTF-8 means what? A66. That's the ASCII values actually. Character UTF-8 character cannot be typed on a keyboard, but they can always be displayed using numbers called entity number. A is 65, B is 66, C is 60. You must start entity number with this. Actually, see what is actually UTF-8. Okay, so this interpreter will not understand what actually you are displaying. Okay, so this is what I am displaying, but it will not understand this is a letter, this is a what a number, okay, this is what emoji. So they will not understand actually what content it is, but whatever that content you put with the tag, that will be displayed. But if you want to understand that is number, is it the what letter or character, you have to use this kind of a thing. What it is, UTF character. So like this we have to go and type it, ampersand hash 65, then HTML understand this is 65 is what number, like that. Okay, so like that we have to understand to the what the interpreter if you want to understand or any letter or number here, like that. See, this is the number of whom this symbol, but if you use this number, it will be print as it is only. But if you want a emoji, we have to put what, you have to prefix with what, this. That's why all the emoji prefix with this one, ampersand hash, that is this one, ampersand hash. If I remove ampersand hash, and that will print as it is in the output. See, 128, like that it will print as it is. So like this. So that's why we have to understand to the what, this is emoji, this is letter, this is number, like that. We have to put what, this ampersand hash, then that emoji code, then colon, like that, semicolon we have to put it. This is very important thing. That's what UTF type. within this we have to put a number based on that emoji or any any letter number. Based on that it will be displayed in the web page. Next what we having, character set. The HTML specification encourages web developer to use the UTF-8 character set. UTF-8 covers almost all of the characters and symbol in the word. UTF-8 is what? It will cover all the type of a character. So ASCII, next one Euro keywords, UTF-8 keywords, JIS, others, all type of in word, whatever the character set we have in, all will be supported in a UTF-8. So ASCII, you know. So in a computer only understand the word letter and number or symbol through the word ASCII. Every character it has one ASCII values. Based on that ASCII value, that will be converted to binary. Then binary will understand by the machine. Machine only understand 0 and 1. So that's why whatever data it is, we have to convert into ASCII values. ASCII values again convert into what? Binary. Then machine will understand this is A, this is a N, this is what a 0, this is a 1, like that will understand. Like that, this is what ASCII value. Next one ANSI character. Okay, so ANSI again for this, again they have one character set. That is for the first 127 character, that is ASCII values, and for special character we have 120 to 159, and for identical to UTF-8 that is 162 to 255 is the given number. How we having ASCII values, that is up to 127. Next what we having 122 for 159 special characters, and for this identical UTF-8 what character they are having, they have between this number. And next one, the ISO, this character set, they having what, again the different number here. UTF-8 character set, ASCII from 0 to 127, and does not use the character from 120 to 159, identical to ANSI 160 to 255. So they have one particular character set. Understand, only thing is what, they have one particular character set. This kind of all character will support. Almost we can use what, UTF. Character set, and we can use what, UTF-8. UTF-8 means what, it will come all the what characters in the word. Okay, this is character set, URL encode. That this is what we give a URL path. For that URL, how this suppose if I put what https://www.flipkart.com, how this will be worked in a web applications. So that is what they are explaining here. First thing is what, that's a HTTPS. HTTPS is a hypertext protocol, and maybe it's a HTTPS. S means for secure. That web page, if you put as a yes here, some pages it is come under HTTPS. S means what, that page is very secure. It is for hacker, it's difficult to hack that kind of web page data. That is, but for when you want to take as a secure for any web page, so it will take a more cost compared to what normal HTTP. That is what it is come under what, internet service. Okay, what type of service is it, secure service or unsecure service, like that. There are two type of the web page what you uploaded in a cloud, is it secure or unsecure, that we can identify through the what, HTTP. That's the first thing, first part of the what, URL. Second part what we are having, that is www, that is it is define the word domain. Okay. Default is what www. And next one what we having, uh, actually this www should be prefixed with the any domain. Okay. So again what we having, in a domain, what we having .com, that's a commercial, .org for organization, .edu, edu, that's education, .in means what, those business, those domain, and the India, like that is like we have a different of a domains based on your business. You have to purchase the what domain. Actually this all I can explain when we host the what, when you are hosting the what, um, website, that time we'll discuss this actually. And port number, so HTTP by default port number is 80, but even without using this HTTP also you can access the what some web pages from the cloud by using port number. You can set a port number for that particular website and only access that port, access that web page through the what port number, that is also possible. And next one what we having, this is what path. Path is what, that is present in the where, in the your directory. Suppose here see in a w3c school of 2.com is what, this is what commercial domain. Here what we having https, this is secure, they having what, internet service is what it is secure. And this is what www dot, this is what they having domain, and this what type of domain is a commercial, and this is what they have, what it is, path. So this page, actually the page what I am opened here, that's what HTML URL encode.asp. ASP again, that's a language, programming language, you can use as a backend. So this W3C is backend language is what, es.asp. HTML underscore URL encode.asp, that's a page actually, and that page is present in the where, in a HTML folder. So like that we having a path after the word domain, path and file. This is what file name, this is the file name, and this is what folder name. Okay, like that we can like that the particular web page will be accessed. Okay, this is what we have a URL resource locator. Okay, hypertext transfer protocol, common web page, not encrypted, and this is the secure, that is encrypted. And FTP is what, file transfer protocol, downloading and uploading files, we use this protocol. And file that's present in your cloud or in a computer. HTML versus XHTML, already we discussed in the first class itself, that's HTML and XHTML. See, understand only thing is what XHTML. When HTML3 is came in a market, and the next version what we having, that is 4, HTML4. Between there are 10 years gap we having, and in the between the 10 years of from HTML3 to HTML4, the one more language is developed, markup language, to develop a web page, that is what XHTML. Okay, and again it's a very famous at that time compared to HTML3, but once the HTML4 is came in the market, HTML4 has different of what all features compared to XHTML. So that time this XHTML is no one will using. Okay, from HTML, understand what the situation, how, what is XHTML. Actually from HTML is came in the market, that is HTML3. Okay, after HTML3 up to 10 years there is no version of HTML3, only up to 3 only it is get. After 10 years HTML4 is came. Okay, And before HTML4, so there is a long gap from HTML3 to 4. That's a 10 years gap. Within 10 years, this is one XHTML language came in the market, and this XHTML language, markup language, to use to design a web page, how we having HTML. But thing is what, on that time, compared to HTML3, this XHTML is what very powerful and it has more feature. But once again in the next 2 to 3 years, next 1 years I think, in HTML3 they added some features. Whatever features in XHTML, the same feature are adopted in a way in a HTML3, and even more features added in the way HTML3. And now came HTML4 is came in the market. That time XHTML no one will use. Okay, then again HTML4 is again add some features and came what HTML5, and nowadays we are using HTML5. But the thing is what, this XHTML is now we're not using. But understand what is the XHTML, that is stands for extensive hypertext markup language. It is a very stricter and more XML based version. See here, what actually why people will not use XHTML. This also markup language, by using this also you can develop a web application. But nowadays no one use this XHTML because it's a very stricter. See, suppose I will show. This is what I have, the what layouts of by float.html. That's the page I have. See what I can do. This is article I have, and I will remove this article. Opened article is present, but I will remove the word closing article. One more, I did a mistake here actually. Okay, I started article, but I not ended the word article. Okay, that's thing. And one more, what I can do, this paragraph. Okay, paragraph I started, but I not closed it. Okay, even for understand HTML, I remove this one, and I will save this. See what actually it is. If I execute that program, it will not give any error. Understand here what I am telling? Understanding everyone what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
See, I skipped some part here, but it is not giving any error. Still, it is showing the what correct result. Sometime it will give a result. It will not give a correct result, but it will show, but it will not give any error. That is what HTML is, what not a stricter. Okay, if you miss the what, some tag, some mistakes you did in the HTML, it will not give any error. Only it will show wrong result, but it will show the what result. Okay, but it will not show what is the error. Okay, it will not show any error. Suppose if you go to see Java, PHP, Python, if you made single mistake also, it will show the errors. In a C language, if you open the brace and if you not close the brace, then you will get an error. Okay. So next one, if you declare a variable and declared variable is different and using variable is different, you will get error. Okay, so that particular variable is not defined and you are using, like that, you will get error. So there are, what you make a mistake, that will get error, where another language similar way in XHTML also what, it is very stricter. If you make any mistake, syntaxical mistake, it will get error, the page will not open. Okay, so that's why no people will use this particular XHTML. Okay, because it's a very stricter, you have to follow the what, all syntactically, and then only that output will get, otherwise output will not display. And one more is, one thing is what, this XHTML, actually the web page what we created, we have to use what XML, we have to use what XML. And again what XML is what, again XML again is again markup language, but it has own particular structure, how we having tags and all in the HTML. But in XML there is no such kind of a built-in tags, but you can create your own tag, like that they have the XML things. But thing is what, again it's very difficult to manage in all, that is and this XHTML, it will not support for all browser. That's why it is a nowadays no people is using for the XHTML. Okay, like that. So that was they are given here. This is doc type in XHTML. Uh, it is doc type is mandatory, but in HTML it's not mandatory. If you not put this doc type, it will be work. Like that, we have a XMLNS attribute. Okay, within a HTML we have to use XMLNS attribute. XMLNS attribute is what in XHTML is what it is tell the what some metadata about what web page. Okay, what is the version, what's the, who's the author. This all is mandatory in XHTML, but if you go in HTML, there is no mandatory here. Even I don't use any doc type. If I remove this doc type, so then also it will be executed. Okay, see, if I refresh this one, then also it will be executed. There is no restriction about what in a HTML, but in a XHTML we should use, we have to follow the rules and regulation. So like that we have to use XMLs, and these all are mandatory. Head is mandatory, title is mandatory, body is mandatory. Suppose in HTML, if I remove head or if I remove title, it will work, it will not give any error. So that is not mandatory. Okay, so thing is like here what actually here there is no any restriction. If you mismatch also, if you make a syntax mistake, you will not get any error, but you will get output in a HTML. But in a XHTML we have some mandatory, we have to put those. If you not put those, you not follow the rules, then you will get error. Element always must be properly nested. If you mismatch, again you get error. Elements must always be closed. How I shown, if I not close a section in HTML, it will work, but it is not work in XHTML. So here element must always be in a lowercase. See, one more important difference. Suppose footer is what tag, I can write in a capital footer. Right, footer I written in a capital. Okay, and I will execute this one, it will not get affected, it will be get as it is. So tags also you can use as a lowercase or uppercase or combination also, it will be work. Okay, so there is no such kind of a restriction in a HTML, but in a XHTML we have restrictions what all tags should use lowercase. Attributes name must always be lowercase. Okay, so attributes what we using href attribute, that should be lowercase nowhere in XHTML. And attributes value must be quoted. If you use double quote, okay, if I remove one side, that should not be happen in the where in the XHTML. Okay, so like that, these are the mandatory. And attribute minimization is forbidden. Okay, some attributes we have to use a compulsory. That is what the XHTML they have what this. Understand, this is a XHTML. Just only understanding purpose. This is we're not using any in our project. But just we know this is also a language, and but nowadays we're not using this one because of it has many disadvantages. Okay, this is all about today's class actually. See, tomorrow we can go for this. These are the very important. Now actually these are the we use in our project. Okay, HTML form tags, we will discuss those on tomorrow. Today this is about what we discussed here. These are the things. Now I will give one assignment here. So same thing, same what I given yesterday's assignment. That is assignment is given, and you have to create those all sections by using what division tag. And today you can create the same web page through the what these sections you can use. Okay, This header you can use whenever you put a navigation bar, menu bar, you have to use the nav only. And when it is section, so use a section. Articles, you can use article. Footer, you can create through the footer tag only. Like that, use these sections and create one simple web page. Okay, so in that web page, only I need um, like this you can create. I will show. Today I will give one different one. This is web page. Okay, here okay, so I will create one header. So here put header by using header tag, put logo next business and social media. Social media links. Okay, next. So here what I can do here, you can put one menu bar or nav bar. So that is navigation bar. Use navigation bar, create menu bar by using nav tag. Okay, and here what I can put here, put one image here like this. I need like one image here. Okay, put here one image. Image will tell your service, that kind of image will tell your company service, your company services. Okay, and next put one more section here. This is a this you can use by using article. Okay, article you can use, or in this also you can use article, and this you can give some information about company, information about service by using article. Article tag, article and section. You can use section. Within the section only you can put article. This is both this image and this information about service, both you can put in one section. Even for navigation also you have to put in a section only. And within this section, this is now, and this is what we can put as a article, this second article, this is a first article, article 2 it is, and this is article 1. Okay, and then below one put put here below footer you set by using that is footer tag. Okay, anything doubt? So like this, all you can use what layout tags only. Don't use division. Yesterday's assignment was division, but now is what is by using what this. Actually, in our real-time project, we use what these layout only. That's why you can create this one. Simple, you can create. Don't go for ChatGPT and all. Understand how we can put this and allow for the CSS property. Don't give any spaces. Okay, so here I have the space, don't give that kind of a spaces, everything is what full. Okay, like that you can create. uh, that is assignment 2, assignment 2, that is 25. Okay. Okay, I will share this image, so based on this we can start create. And who not shown today yesterday's assignment, please show both the assignment tomorrow. Then minimize it. Okay, anything doubt? So who not shown the yesterday assignment, show tomorrow both today's and yesterday's. I am monitoring this all assignment who not going to do, who are doing. Okay, next I will share the what that content what we studied today, that document also put in a YouTube portal. And next, is there any doubt? So all you updating your this daily data in a video portal. Still have any problem? Anyone having problem?
Sir, still payment verification is pending, sir.
Still, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have one contact number. We'll contact them. So Ritika, what you'll
Okay.
do? In a group only, you can put a message like your name and
Yes, sir.
that what issue you're having. So based on that, we'll contact it. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, anyone having issue? So everything is okay, na? Uh, so tomorrow's class is very important. We'll go for that because that's very important. And based on that also, I will give many assignment for that. Okay. Can I end sessions here? I will take attendance. So today's attendance I will take. Okay, tell me attendance. First one, anyone?
Sir, Srishti, sir.
Srishti. Okay. Srishti is over. Next, anyone?
So Mahadev.
Mahadev. Okay.
Ritika, sir.
Wait. Mahadev. Next, Rutika.
So Tejas.
Tejas. Next,
Sir, Sanjana.
Sanjana. Next,
Sir, Nisarga. Harshita.
Nisarga. Harshita.
Harshita.
Yes, Harshita. Next one. Srishti is over. Mahadev, Ritika, Tejas, Sanjana, Nisarga, Harshita. If anyone messaging.
Hamsa.
So Ganesh.
Okay, Ganesh and Hamsa. Okay. Ganesh, you not shown that assignment yesterday's? Ganesh.
Sir, tomorrow I will show.
Tomorrow both you can show me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Today's and yesterday's. Harshita.
Yes.
Okay, then thank you. So one person is missing. Srishti, Mahadev, Ritika, Tejas, Sanjana, Nisarga, Harshita, Hamsa, and Ganesh. Okay. Um, okay. Tomorrow again we'll discuss the next concept, and that is what very important. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Have a good night, everyone. Okay, and do that assignment, both assignment. So who not did yesterday assignment, do tomorrow and show tomorrow evening both the thing. Okay, thank you. Good night all. Take care. Thank you. I will end this here. ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಲೋ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿ? ಹ್ಞೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಎಷ್ಟ? 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಮಲ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕನಾಗವ. ನೋಡಿದೆ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂದ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಭಾಳ ಹಚ್ತಾರು. ಇದು ಮೈ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಬಂದು ಎಮ್ ಸಿ ಬಂದು ಸುಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದವು ಸರ್. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದವು. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ದಾಗ ಬಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಭೀ ಆಗವಲ್ಲು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆವತ್ತು. ನಮಗೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದು ಡೈಲಿ ಏ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೇನೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಾಮಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಂತ ನಾ ಆಗಾಮಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹುಡುಗರು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನು ಟಿ ಪಿದಾಗ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಅದೇನ ಹಂಗೂ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ತಗೋರಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋಗಿದ್ದು ನಂಗೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಕೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಗಪ್ಪ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಹಾಕೋನು ಈಗ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಬಿಡು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಂತವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಾರ ಕಡೆ ಏನೇನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದು? ಅದು ರೊಕ್ಕ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವ ಇವಂಗದಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕೆಂಬಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಾರ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಯಾರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್ಗೆ. ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೇಕು ರೀ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಬಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ತುಂಬ್ತೀವ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದು. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ನ ಪಾಪ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ 10,000 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದ್ರಾಗ 3,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫೀ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಖರ್ಚದು. ನಮ್ಮ 1,000 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಐತಿ. 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕರೆ ಬಿಲ್ 2,000 ಐತಿ. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು ಕರ್ರಾಕ ಅವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಚಲೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಭಾಳ ಕಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ ಏನೇನೈತೆ ಅದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ. ನಾಳೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಅದ. ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ನೋಡು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೈತಿ. ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ 9-8 ಹಿಂಗೇನು ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ದ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ ಅವ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ. ಹಳೇದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಳೇದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿನ್ರಿ ಅದ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನನಗೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರ್ಸಿ ಇರೋ ಕರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡವನ ಅಂದ ಅವ್ನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಭಾಳ 1,000-2,000 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲೇ 200-300 ಇರ್ತದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು 9 ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 9 ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ MC. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅದತ್ತು ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆತ ತಗೋರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಆತವು. ಇಲ್ಲ ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚೋಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ಮೊದಲು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ರ ಹೋಯ್ತೇನೆ ಅವಾಗ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅವಾಗ 45 ಏನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ 3rd ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕರೆಸಿರು. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗಟ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ನಂಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅವ ಅಂದಾಜಾಗ ಏನು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಲೋಡ್ ಅಟ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತದ. ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಹೋದ್ರು ಪಟ್ನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು, MCದಾಗ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಲೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಗದ್ದ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲ ಇವ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಕರೆಯಕತ್ತ ಇದು ಮರಕತ್ತ ಇದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗದ್ದ ಹಾಕತ್ತ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇದ್ದೇನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟ CS. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಯಮಿದ್ದ, ಈಗ ವರ್ಕ್ಲೋಡ್ ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟು MCದಾಗ ಇರ್ಲತ್ತ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟು ಹೊಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ನಂದು 9:00 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐತೆ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ದಾಗ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ದಾಗ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ನ ಮಗ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ. ಅವು ಭಾಳ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಹೇಶ್ ಏನೋ ಅವ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಪ್ಪ ಅವ. ಹಾಂ ಆ ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಸ